You are cruising down the highway and suddenly your car refuses to find the next gear or feels like it is fighting to stay moving, which usually means your transmission is hiding a secret that needs to be addressed immediately. When your vehicle triggers the diagnostic trouble code P0772, it is telling you that shift solenoid E is stuck on, and it is a generic code that applies to a huge range of automatic transmission vehicles like Ford or Toyota and Chrysler. Inside your transmission there are several shift solenoids that act like traffic cops, directing fluid pressure to different bands and clutches to change your gear ratios at exactly the right time. This system is designed to keep your engine performing at its peak while maintaining the lowest ARPM possible to save you money at the gas pump. When the powertrain control module detects that solenoid E is not moving as it should, it will illuminate your check engine light and might even trigger a separate transmission warning lamp. You are going to notice your transmission slipping or overheating, and the car might even catch in a specific gear or enter a limp mode where you lose all your power. The most common reasons for this are a low fluid level or dirty and contaminated transmission fluid that has not been changed in a long time. It could also be a clogged filter or a failing valve body with restricted hydraulic passages that are preventing the fluid from moving freely. To fix this, you should start by checking your transmission dipstick to see if the fluid is low or smells burnt, and look at your maintenance records to see when the last filter change was performed. You also need to do a visual check of the wiring harness for any signs of rubbing or burnt spots, and make sure the connectors are not corroded or loose. If the fluid looks good, you will need a digital multimeter to perform continuity checks on the solenoid circuit, where you should see 0 ohms of resistance. If the circuit is open or has high resistance, you have a wiring issue that needs to be repaired. You should definitely visit a professional mechanic if you suspect an internal transmission failure or a faulty powertrain control module, because these repairs involve opening the transmission and can be very complex. Keeping your fluid clean is the best way to prevent this solenoid from sticking, so stay on top of your maintenance.